Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Hello. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have done a video, and I've just been so busy with other things and changing my focus on some things as well in my life. So this video, I wanted to kind of just talk about some things that I'm going to be begin discussing on this channel. As you know, I'm the Next Level Slayer, providing you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. And I have not done that much mindset content on this channel, so I will begin to start doing that now because I am on a journey to take my mindset to the next level by going back to school. I started school working on my accounting degree, and I stopped for various reasons, marriage, a child, taking care of helping my mom who's mentally ill, just a lot of stresses along with that. So a lot of things did not took me away from going that route. Plus, I wasn't sure if I wanted to stay in the accounting field. I was working in the accounting field I've been working in the accounting field for many years, at least about 15 years or more, maybe 20 years actually. And I really kind of wanted to just get out of the corporate world and just focus on business, doing my own thing, trading, many different things. So now I took a break from working for a year. I took a leave of absence from my job for a year. And when it was time for me to go back to my job, I said, okay, I'm going to start looking for something else to see what's out there. The job market had changed dramatically since I first got in it. And so I put my resume out there to see what would happen. And good things happened. So I was given an assignment to work for a large organization that's a nonprofit that offers a pension plan, a pension retirement plan. And you don't find that with many companies. And when that opportunity fell into my lap, that is what told me, hey, maybe you need to look. Maybe it's not a bad idea to stick with accounting, stay in the corporate world. You have many things working for you passively on the business side that I've shown you guys on this channel on many occasions. So maybe it's not such a bad idea if God has given you an opportunity to work for a company that pays a pension and has amazing benefits, great opportunity for growth, and it's in the healthcare field. They're a nonprofit, and they are a wonderful organization. So when that opportunity fell into my lap, the manager that I report to, she brought up school. I mean, she's like, I encourage everybody to go back to school. I encourage my mama, I encourage everybody. So it kind of put a bug in my, planted a seed in me to say, well, maybe if you are going to be hired here permanently, because right now I'm a temp, but they're working to make me permanent. maybe it's not such a bad idea to go ahead and finish up that degree and even get, I'm gonna get my MBA. And I thought about getting a CPA, but I'm not sure if I want to go that route because of the direction I kind of want to go in accounting. It's more so in the financial analysis side of things, but maybe it's not such a bad idea. They're going to pay for it. When I say their benefits are amazing, the benefits are amazing. Okay. So I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started with going back to school. Okay. So that's what I've been busy doing. Um, I've been working on uh, finding the school that I want to finish out my bachelor's with. The other thing that I wanted was something that was accelerated, that didn't take me long. With me being 52 years old, it needed to be something that I can finish quickly, the bachelor's and the master's. And yeah, so I found, so I did research on different schools, and Western Governors University is the school that I decided to go with. Now, I sent them all my transcripts to see what was left and what I would have to pay. I would have to take out a student loan, but um, with this job, um, they will pay for that. So that student loan debt for me. Uh, so what I decided to do is, instead of going straight to them and finishing up, I did some more research on other ways that I can earn more credits to transfer to the school. Okay. So I learned about sailors.org. I've learned about straight line. I learned about study.org. I learned about sophia.org. I learned about all of these different institutions that allows you to take courses at your own pace and pass them and have the credits transferred to the school you want to get the degree at. So I am currently working with sailor.org. I'm trying to get it mixed up with Sophia, because Sophia is another school that I'm going to do next, because not every credit that you need is available at each of these institutions. So sailor.org allows you to take courses for free. You only have to pay for the proctored exam that gives you the passing grade to get the transfer credit. So, and that is like $5 for some of them, and one of them is $25. I'm taking critical thinking right now, and that one is $25. $25 for a class, that's amazing. $5 for a class, that's amazing. So after I signed up for Western Governors University, I went ahead and found out and transferred the credits that I already had from going to school previously. So what was left that I needed to take, and what classes are transferable from sailor.org or Sophia, and all of the different institutions. I'll be doing some videos to break down sailor.org and study whatever other schools that I will take. It'll probably be sophia.org or study.org, one of them that I will be able to and explain to you the process of it all. So taking my mindset to the next level is now involving me getting my bachelor's, getting up my bachelor's, then getting my master's, and then possibly sitting in an exam for thinking about CMA versus CPA. If I have an MBA, that might be enough, but we'll see. I'm going to take you guys along that journey with taking my mindset to the next level and how I'm doing that, with working and, you know, being over 50 and getting this done. And kind of seeing me grow within this organization and just kind of see where God takes me in this organization, or is he going to take me somewhere else? We don't know, but that is part of taking your mindset to the next level. Now, I will do some content here and there on the other opportunities that I get into that are outside of that, like passive income opportunities. But really, my focus is really going to be on this channel, taking your mindset to the next level with the classes that I'm taking. Maybe someone watching this may be considering doing the same thing and they want to know what I'm experiencing as I'm taking these classes and passing them and all of that. And if you have an interest in working in accounting, what that looks like. Maybe you have an interest in working in accounting and you want to know where to start or how to get started. I got positions in accounting without a degree, and I was able to get experience. So that experience has gotten me into this company. And in order for me to grow, then the degree is definitely beneficial. So I will be sharing some content in that area as far as accounting goes and finances, and because I'm learning all of that already, and I want to teach things about taking your money to the next level. So the accounting and the finances, things that I'm learning, I want to share with you guys so you can learn how to take your money to the next level as well. So that is it. That is all, guys, that I wanted to share with you. I know I've been gone. I'll do some updates on the passive income opportunities that I am in. It's really just letting you know, hey, I'm still in them. And that's what other content I'll be bringing. I won't be kind of sharing, how I'm doing. I'll give briefly updates, but now this year, we're focusing on taking your mindset to the next level and your money by sharing content on financial analysis and all of those things that revolves around money. All right, so that is it. That is all. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. Oh, and by the way, the videos will be uploaded on Mondays, and because I have a schedule of studying and work and a relationship, I am going to upload videos on Monday. Like, I work from home on Mondays and Fridays, so Mondays would be a great day for me to upload videos. So stay tuned for more content. Next Monday, I'll probably discuss Sailor.org, and I'll probably do another video this evening on the opportunities that I am in. Just give you guys an update on where I am with those. All right, take care. Bye-bye.